Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from my Crypto Paradise, and as you can see, the support we have been sharing with you yesterday in the previous video hold perfectly. Bitcoin bounced from it and made around 5% gains to the upside. In Paradise Family VIP, we have made a great profit on it. We have exactly positioned ourselves at the support 20,200. That was our buy zone. As you can see, we are using only one buy market order to be safe, to make sure that we get filled. We used a buy limit order at 20,200. Boom, we got filled. Boom, and we hit 3 sell targets of ours and made amazing 27% profit with only 5x leverage. Because if you want to make money long term in the crypto market, the one way to not make it is using high leverage. Because if you want to make it in the long term in the crypto market, the one thing you need to have in mind is to survive, and you're not gonna survive with a high leverage. Seriously not in this kind of market where wicks are happening every day and it's just too volatile. So if you want to have better results, I would recommend you to start using lower leverage, and you can then compare the profits you have with high leverage and with lower leverage. In the long term, I'm quite sure that you will be much more profitable when using lower leverage. So let's talk about Bitcoin. What is going to happen next in this video? Let's talk about Bitcoin dominance. Let's show and respect ourselves that we exactly knew that this breakdown is going to happen and that we are really going forward to meet our strong support Fibonacci zone. Let's talk about some amazing altcoins, the most bullish altcoins, and let's also talk about some news. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Alright, so probably the most exciting news is the Binance that they announced the partnership with Cristiano Ronaldo for NFT collections. This is not only bullish for NFT, but for the whole crypto market. Look at this guy smile, he is excited, I'm excited as well, because this is not only beneficial for the NFTs, as I already said, but for the whole crypto market as well. The more people are getting involved, and mostly the famous people, the better, the more money is flowing into the markets, the more people know about it, and the better for all of us. So this is amazing, very exciting news. Then Ontario Securities Commission slaps Bybit and KuCoin with penalties. If you want to know more about it, just jump to our free My Crypto Paradise news channel and read about it. Very interesting stuff. Solana Lumps is building a Web3 Android smartphone, and CoinFlex, latest crypto exchange on withdrawal freeze. This is quite scary. Something similar happened to Celsius, so if you are using CoinFlex, be very careful. The ParadiseTeam is supporting only the most trusted exchanges, which is Binance, KuCoin, and Bybit. These three exchanges are the only ones we are providing our VIP services for. So if you choose an exchange, choose one of these three, because these are the best and most secure. So let's jump back to Bitcoin. What is happening right now? As we already told you, we respected the range low and we are going in the medium time frame to the range high. However, what kind of price action is going to happen before we go to the range high really depends on the lower time frame. So for this, we need to switch to 1 hour candles. So as you can see, we have on lower time frame created this range lower time frame high, and we have lower time frame support at 20,600. So these two levels very important. 20,600, 21,700. Right now we are already closed our long position because we had 3 sell targets, but we closed it fully because right now we are at the moving average 200 and we can start recovering. Also, we are quite overbought on 4 hour here, yeah, so we should start moving down, and these conditions can happen if we do some sideways movement or if we really break down. Okay, so right now there is no need already to be in the long position, So we closed it. What we are doing right now, we are waiting for what is going to happen next. And you can do the same thing. Basically, we have these two levels, range high and this support at 20,600. What you should do right now, like there is no good probability on either side, long or short, right? So the best thing is to wait. And what we are waiting for, what the Paradise team is waiting for, is that we meet this level, all right? If this happens first, before we hit the resistance, we are going to position ourselves in a long position and we will start riding it back up to the range high. Or if we first hit the resistance zone, we will position ourselves here after some confirmations and we will ride it down to the support again, right? So this is one thing. The other thing what you can do, and it really depends on the current price action, that's why you need to watch the Bitcoin very closely all the time. The other thing you can do is actually wait for the breakout of either side and then position yourself in a retest. So you wait for breakout of the range high, you put your limit orders here, and then you will ride it to the mid time frame range high, right? And this can be a very good profit. This can be actually around 7% profit. And if you want to position yourselves in a short position, you should be waiting for breakout of this level like this. Put your sell limit order around here, and then you can ride it down to 19,500, because if we really get rejected over here, this level is not going to be valid anymore. So the next support we have been talking about in the previous video as well is the 19,500, which will absolutely hold. This is very strong level. So there are money to be made. We are watching the market 24/7 with the Paradise team, and we are ready to aggressively take position, another position. We already took our profit, as you saw, and right now we are just waiting for what comes next, because we are working with probabilities, we are not playing with luck. So let's move to Bitcoin dominance right now real quickly. We are dumping quite heavily. We are below the moving average 200 right now. What can happen is that we will go back to retest it and then continue in the dump to our strong support zone, right? What is going on with Bitcoin dominance really depends on what is going on with altcoins. And with this dumping environment, when Bitcoin dominance is at 43%, is something what you should care about if you want to make profit on altcoins. And we just found this amazing altcoin on KuCoin, which is called Franklin. We can see clearly that this consolidation is going to be over very soon, and once we break out this consolidation zone, we are almost certainly going to the moving average 200 on 4 hour. So it can bring you around 60% gains, and that's something to be really, and that's kind of considerable gains. So we are already positioned in this altcoin. Those who are in our free Telegram channel for KuCoin, you already know about it. When this altcoin was at $563, you already know about it when this altcoin was at 563. So this altcoin is really interesting. We are definitely looking forward for a great gains in this altcoin, and right now we are just looking for a breakout of this consolidation. So as you can see right now, there is already some kind of breakout. We are retesting the moving average 200, and once we have the confirmation of a successful breakout and retest, we are ready to absolutely smash this. So ladies and gentlemen, this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, visit the link below in the description, and join our free Telegram channels if you want to be on the top of this market, and see you next time.